Namaste. All the beautiful souls. I, Rupa Khanal, your medium for tarot guidance. Welcome all the beautiful souls on my YouTube channel, White Tarot Reading. And today we are here for the general prediction series of general predictions for the month of November 2020. Let us see what the month of November has stored for the beautiful souls. The beautiful Virgo ascendants, let us see what the month of November 2020 have stored for the beautiful souls. So the first card I have here is the Six of Wands, followed by the Ace of Swords and Queen of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. So basically the month of November for the beautiful Virgo ascendants is bringing a fixed source of money. So you will find new sources of generating money, and that will begin from the month of November. And the Four of Pentacles indicates that you are right now going through some kind of money related problems. The money is stagnant, stuck, and it is unable to come easily into your life. This is the money what you deserve, what the money which is yours. Okay, it could be coming through the business, through the property, through some kind of inheritance, right? So basically right now the money is stagnant, but the month of November will let this money flow, and continuously this fountain of wealth will be generated into your life's beautiful Virgo ascendants. And that will begin with the November energies, the 2020 November energies. So the Queen of Pentacles here is assuring that it could be through the efforts or through the blessings or through the discussions or mutual understanding with a strong feminine energy around you. It could be your mother, it could be a wife, it could be a boss, essentially a fair lady with sharp features, and she is been guiding you for all the financial decisions which you make up. And I'm sensing strongly that this is your wife or this is your girlfriend, your love interest. So she has come up in your life like a queen, and you have to consider all her financial suggestions, and that will really enhance the money and the value of the money which is coming into your life like crazy beautiful souls. The Virgo ascendants, Queen of Pentacles, is bringing you all the wealth, all the riches, all the money which will help you accumulate, or which will help you buy everything which is shown in the cards and which is also in your conscious mind. So whatever you want to do with this money, what plans you have to execute after you get this wealth or this property, you will be able to do it all. But right now the money is stagnant, and November 2020 energies will release this wealth into your life, and this will continuously grow, beautiful souls, with the blessings, guidance and suggestions of a strong feminine influence in your life. And I'm sensing it could be your wife or it could be your love interest. Ace of Swords here brings in that you will be crowned, you will be really you already hold a significant position in the society, but you know the opinion of the people changes instantly once you become rich. So when you become rich, everybody will give you the position of that of a king. They will crown you, they will appreciate you, you know, and you will be in the most prominent positions in the month of November, beautiful souls. And the work, professional, it could be the professional, in the professional front, it could be in your personal life, it could be in your friend circle, in your neighborhood circle, in your society. All the ventures which you take up, all the plans which you take up, they will be executed with so much of force and so much of speed that people will be widely mouthed open like, oh my god, how could this person do this task in such a short time. He is working or she is working with great force or great speed. Your speed, your enthusiasm, your energy will be like 10 times more in the month of November, because you have been waiting for this stagnant money to be in your hands, and you have been trying all the ways out. You have been planning so many things, like you have always ready with an extra plan. Plan A is not working for you, then you are ready with plan B. Then plan B is not working, you're ready with plan C. And you have been experiencing and witnessing so much delays to let this money flow, but somehow, because of some reasons, this isn't coming out. This is just stagnant, and this is just stuck. And November 2020, the karmic cycle will come to an end, and you will experience the money coming into your life, flowing into your life, the fountain of wealth continuously blessing you and growing your status in the society, growing your psychological health, strength, growing your mental strength, giving you a clear consciousness, a clear maturity, and you will be handling this money with so much of ease and so much of confidence that there is no looking back in your life after the November 2020. So beginning of the November 2020, you are going to experience so much of like unexpected windfall, right, beautiful souls? And Six of Wands, as you can see, there is all the symbols related to the success, victory, and the soldier is returning back home after winning a battle. So the November 2020 will make you a winner in all the battles which you will fight or which you have been fighting, right? It could be winning over your enemies, it could be having gains in your profit, it could be bringing that balance in your personal life, it could be about matters related to children, health, overall well-being. So each and every prospect, there is so much of abundance, there is so much of prosperity, harmony, and success, and money and wealth, and everything on cards in the month of November. By far, this is the best reading I'm doing. I don't know, I have to do 6 more readings, but by far, Virgo ascendants, this is the best. November 2020 is going to turn as the best month for the beautiful Virgo ascendants. So saying that, I hope this general prediction will resonate with the beautiful Virgo ascendants. Until next time, take good care of yourself and enjoy all your wealth, all your riches with confidence, with force, with stability, with balance, with harmony, and with prosperity. Until next time, Astu and Namaste, beautiful Virgo ascendants.